currently snowed in, and we put on our matching pajam jam sets. And I bought the girls these really cute outfits yesterday. Look how cute. This one says Candy. Wait, this one says Candy Cane Cutie. And then this one looks like this for Pooh, and this one says Candy Cutie. We wanted to get the matching ones, but they're 2 different sizes, so they didn't have 2 of the same sizes in an outfit. But we're gonna try to put them on this and take pictures. And I'm bringing you guys along. We're not really doing a lot today though. Like today, we're just gonna be like in the house because we don't have a lot to do. So, all right, Pooh has to go first because Harley is wrestling in the tree. Okay, Pooh has worn things before. Oh, and it has this cute pom-pom on the hood. Ah, she's gonna look so cute. Okay, come on, Candy Cutie. Pop your head in there, Pooks. Oh, this might be a little too big for her. We got her a medium because the smalls, lift your head up. Because the smalls were, oh, this is too big. Oh, are you okay? Do you hate it? Aw, what a cutie. Okay, the sleeves are a little big because she has short little arms, but I think she'll be fine. Now I have to find Harley so that I can put Harley's on. And hopefully, Harley shouldn't be too big. Hers is like, she's very thin, so hers is like usually too big on the body. Pooh's is always too big in the arms because our arms aren't that long. But it's okay. Oh, I have Harley. Hold on. Oh, Pooh's still sitting. Oh, they're not being tortured, I swear. Okay. Can everybody relax today? Jeez Louise. Pop your head in. Now, Harley's not used to my clothes shenanigans, so she's gonna try to fight me. Oh my God, Harley. Okay. Where's your head? Thank you. Okay, we got it on her. Okay, we got her in it. It fits her perfectly. Aw, she doesn't have a pom-pom on her hood, but how cute is she? My 2 little cuties. All right, here's Pooh and her love. They are both just out for the count now. Harley, they act like they can't move anymore.
Restrained.
Oh my God. I staged them for some pictures. Pooh is upset. But they look so good. Look at my girlies. Oh my goodness. Okay, take 15 of getting these cats in some sweaters. So that sweater's not gonna work for Pooh because she's too little for it. So I'm gonna put her on her blue sweater that she's kind of used to, and it's smaller and it fits better. So this is what she's gonna wear. And then they'll kind of be matching because they'll both be in blue. So it's fine. Okay, we just finished watching Glass Onion on Netflix, and I would rate it, I would give it a good 8 out of 10. I feel like the beginning was very confusing to me and I almost wanted to turn it off. And then once they actually did like the backstory, I was like, okay, I understand what's going on. It definitely picked up and I was interested. What would you rate it?
I'm giving it a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Definitely the beginning was rough and there's a lot going on.
Yeah, there was a lot going on, but at the end of the day, it was really good. So we enjoyed that one. And now we're going to do another movie and we'll rate that one. Okay, next recap. So the second movie we watched was Sniper Rogue, which we started and we didn't get to finish, but we finished it. And I would say that one was a 6 out of 10. It was good, but I think the storyline could have been addressed a lot better. What do you think?
Giving it a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
The ending fucking sucked.
Yeah, the
like,
ending
it was horrible.
Yeah. And then we watched, what was the last movie?
My Name is Vendetta.
My Name is Vendetta. I would give that one probably another 6 out of 10. Yeah. I think it was good. I enjoyed it, but I don't know. There was just, it was only like those two characters. I would have liked to see more of her fighting in it. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll do a 7. I'll do a 7 out of 10. So he gives it a 6 out of 10. I gave it a 7. It was good. My first rating was a 6, but I bumped it up. I did like it, but yeah, it was one of those movies where like she would piss you off because she just could not understand the assignment. So we're about to watch another one and then make dinner, take pictures, and then I think that's it for the night.